Hello friends and welcome back to my cravings. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious coconut mojito. This mojito has a few ingredients, but we are not sacrificing flavor at all. The first thing you want to do is you want to take some fresh mint leaves and detach them from the stem. There is no need to chop these. Everything gets done by hand. Next, we are going to be adding some fresh limes. Fresh is best, guys. Just squeeze and drop it right into the shaker. Next thing we want to do is we want to mold these ingredients. So I'm using my trusty ice cream scoop. It's a heavy duty one. And what this does, it just helps release the oils in your mint leaves and it gives it that delicious minty flavor. And it also helps release the oils in your lime. We are going to be using cream of coconut. This is sweetened, about half of 1 can. We're also going to be adding a half a cup of ice. And then we are going to be using some good quality rum. I'm using Rondonco. This is Puerto Rican rum. And for this recipe, I'm only using about 1/3 of a cup. You can increase that if you wish. I am only making 1 serving, but you can easily double or quadruple this recipe. All right, we're gonna go ahead and give it a good shake. I like my drinks a little bit sweet, so I'm adding just a little bit of simple syrup. I will add the recipe for that in the description box. And guys, it doesn't get any easier than this. Just go ahead and give it its last shake. All right, guys, and here is the final product. I love how everything looks so beautiful. You have this beautiful white drink with the contrasting color of the mint leaves. I just garnished with a nice little lime wedge. And what I did for the rim of my glass is I just dipped it in that same coconut cream and I added sweetened coconut flakes. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you try it. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video.